Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need Linux Beta, active so the Chromebook can run a full command shell. This gives you apt and common tools. Start in Settings and enable Linux Beta, choose a sensible disk size like 10 GB, and accept the default username. Once the container installs, open the terminal app from the launcher and run echo $shell to confirm bash or dash. Run unaim to check kernel info. These steps unlock the command environment and let you install packages, so do not skip them. Once the terminal is ready, update the package list and upgrade to get security patches. Type sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. Then install practical tools like curl, git, and build essential so you can compile or fetch code. Use cd to change folders, lsla to inspect permissions, and nano or cat to read files. Prefix with sudo when a command requires admin rights. Make sure to explain why each tool matters. Git for source control, curl. To finish, expose your Chrome OS files to the Linux container so you can edit documents. In Files, enable Linux Files access and drag files into the Linux folder. Transfer using SCP or rsync for remote moves and mount external drives if required. If a command fails, check the container is running in Settings, confirm you have disk space, and inspect logs with journoctl or dmesc. These outputs show permission or hardware issues. If problems persist, restart the Linux container and rerun the failing command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.